Hi, my name is Chris, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about Visisoothe supplement before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Visisoothe supplement is, be careful with the website you're going to buy Visisoothe, because Visisoothe is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video and also fixed in the comments. So what is Visisoothe and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, Delta Sleepworks. Visisoothe is one of the unique eye health supplements with great ingredients that support fading vision, mental clearness and boost energy levels formula. It helps to restore and rejuvenate the vision and provide the best results. The Visisoothe supplement helps protect most people's eyes safe from eye-dying dreams. Although this is available in capsules and is easy to consume, it is used to maintain eye health and recover fading eyesight. Visisoothe provides millions of visions, and it is reliable. One thing we use that will get the proper eye health supplements. This supplement is used to recover macular degeneration, cataract problems, and eye fading problems. Visisoothe is one of the top trending supplements, where most people find the precious one to get proper clear eye vision. It is the best way to get cataracts, macular degeneration, cataracts, eye vision, eyesight clearness, and glaucoma, other eye-related problems. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Visisoothe supplement, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Visisoothe supplement for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for Visisoothe to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, Visisoothe pills has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Visisoothe supplement, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Visisoothe supplement actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes.